Welcome back. A look around the region right now, largely sitting in the low 70s. Gentle winds coming from the south. Well, for some of us, they're calm. They aren't too bad, but regardless, there's been a lot of clouds out there. We've also tracked a couple of showers. Let's go ahead and see what we are currently dealing with. So most of the rain in the area has stopped, but we've got a group of storms off to the south near Americus making their way into the region. Then we've also got this group of storms here that could make its way into Upson and Lamar counties here shortly. There was a severe thunderstorm warning up here earlier, but as of right now, no active warnings. But they are still tagged as strong storms, so could be some relatively strong winds and, of course, heavy rain in there. 12-hour rain odds for us still largely expected for most of the region to just be showers as we continue into tonight. Really, the northwestern counties are the only ones that should see thunderstorms as we continue into the evening, with the exception of maybe like Macon or Wilcox counties where we got that storm down near Americus. Now 63 for our overnight low, south-southwest winds upwards of 10 miles per hour, so not very strong. There will be the possibility for some patchy fog. Very warm night, warmest of the year so far, with those temperatures only bottoming out in the low to mid 60s. High of 72 tomorrow, expecting storms pretty more widespread in the afternoon. Southwest winds gusting over 15 miles per hour, so that's not very strong, especially when you talk about thunderstorm odds. But here we go. This cold front's coming in, and that will uplift and give us those thunderstorms as we get into tomorrow afternoon and evening. Mainly the northern half of the region, but they can occur anywhere. Stationary front overnight leads to more shower activity. Then we get a little toasty as we get into Saturday afternoon with this warm front coming in, and we will see some thunderstorm chances Saturday night and into Sunday morning, at least early on, with this cold front coming through. We'll talk more about that in a second. Sunday, a pretty cloudy and windy day. High temperatures only in the mid 50s. Not going to be great weather to be outside, but it will be a little nicer because it won't have the rain. Tomorrow, no worries about severe weather. It's level 0, just general thunderstorms. Good to see that. But as for Saturday, we do have some of our northwestern counties in the level 1 marginal risk, mainly in regards to a few strong wind gusts there, but can't 100% rule out a brief tornado, but odds are it's not going to happen, especially given that we are the farther section, the later section of that risk, and not in like the middle of it. So going through tonight, I do expect there to be the possibility for some showers with this cold front just kind of lurking off to the northwest. And again, I know you didn't see any storms move through there, but we currently are tracking, and we could see some impact, say Upson, Lamar, Butts, maybe even Monroe counties. Now we get into tomorrow afternoon, they are a little further south, and most of these storms are still in the northern parts of the region, but we do expect there to be the possibility for them anywhere here in middle Georgia. Now we get into tomorrow night, it's more or less showers with the stationary front, and then we get into your Saturday, and it starts off quiet, but those storms do arrive in the evening with that cold front coming through. We do have that flood watch still for 4 of our northwestern counties, and we'll have in 10 seconds, I'll have your extended forecast. You've wondered what NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast is brought to you by Volume Chevrolet. That rolled off the tongue a little easier. All right, so we got some storm chances both tomorrow and Saturday. Again, a couple of us Saturday in that level 1 threat zone. It will be a chilly weekend, and we warm up with more sun next week.